Morning everyone, and welcome to Monday's Assembly. Now this week we are looking at a particular article, and you'll see that there is a link to the relevant PowerPoint as usual underneath the video. And as usual, the PowerPoint is packed with information, lots of extra learning, and it is the PSHE task for my class and maybe some of the others. So it's very important to look at the PowerPoint and do some of the activities, which are great fun to do with it. Now, first of all, I want you to have a go at guessing what article we're learning about today. So let me tell you what's in my mind. There's pictures on the PowerPoint and I'm going to describe those pictures, see if you can work it out. So I'm looking at a picture of lots of lovely healthy food. I can see some salad and some fish and some rice and some fruit. So that sort of food, what sort of food is that? Okay. Oh, and now I'm looking at a picture of a hospital. Okay, so what happens when you go to a hospital? Okay. Now I'm looking at a picture of a little boy who is drinking some lovely, fresh, clean water. So get your thinking caps on. Which article am I thinking about this week? That's right, well done, it's Article 24, which is all about healthcare. Now, you and every other child on the planet has the right to the best possible health, okay? On Wednesday, we're going to do a very specific assembly about coronavirus, but today we're thinking much more generally, okay? So you know you've got the right to healthcare from the hospital, clean water and nutritious food, okay? You've also got a right to a clean environment, and you've also got the right to be educated about health, okay? Now on the PowerPoint, there is an extra video with a lady from UNICEF actually talking about Article 24, so take a peek at that. Okay, now going through the PowerPoint, the next activity is how many ideas can you think of to help you be healthy? And the idea is that you write them down before you click on to the next slide. Okay, so there's loads of ways to be healthy. Okay, now I'm not going to talk about them all now because that's giving you the answers, isn't it? So you need to go to the PowerPoint and do the activities. Don't forget to share the work with me, okay? And then if you carry on, there's loads of exciting activities to do, okay? I like this one. How about this one? Set up an obstacle course and challenge someone in your house to have a go. Now, a lot of you will remember our very own playground challenge from last year. So, could you do that? Could you do playground challenge in your living room? I would love to see some photographs of that. That's Article 24 in action at home, isn't it? That would be fantastic. Okay, so there's loads and loads of activities to keep you busy, and I would like you sharing those with me, okay? So don't forget my email address, l.everest@oscartmanor.beham.sch.uk. If you've forgotten that, just email your own teacher and they'll send it to me. Okay. At the end of the PowerPoint, there's a reflection slide with lots of different questions and thoughts. I just want you to think about what the healthcare services are doing for us at the moment. How can we show our appreciation to them? What are you doing now? Have you got any new ideas? And do you know what? Why is it important to show our appreciation? Now guys, once again, you've done a lot of listening and a lot of learning. Have a look at the PowerPoint and enjoy it, okay? Stay safe, wash your hands, okay? And I will see you on Wednesday. Bye guys, bye.